Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to let you guys know the ways to create Romeo account or to sign up the Romeo dating app. If you want to do it, so first thing first, let's get started with the Play Store so that you could go ahead and install the application. On the search box, you need to type in Romeo account or Romeo dating app. When you type in that, it's going to show you this sort of interface, so you're go ahead and click the install button, and this way you'll be able to install it. Now wait for a couple of seconds so that it's completely installed. Next thing you want to do is click the open button and then log in into you, and then start getting with the sign up. Since you don't have an account, so click on join now. Here you'll be asked to provide your email address as well as your date of birth. Now type in that, and then you want to go ahead and select your date of birth and click the OK button. Once you're done with the terms and condition, click the next button. Now here you want to go ahead and select the gender, all of these. Now go ahead and select gender and then your orientation and the relationship status and what you're looking for, and click the done button. Here you could go ahead and click the next button, and now you could also enable your location if you wanna. So I'm gonna do it while using the app, and click the next button. Once you've actually done it, so you have to follow this prompt so that you could add it to your bio. So go ahead and select your language, and then you want to go ahead and select all of these. I'm just doing it randomly, just make sure that you do it according to your preference, and click the next button. Here it's time for you to add a profile picture, so click the plus button. Either you want to take a picture or either you want to go ahead and take it from your gallery. So I'm gonna go with the files and add it from the gallery. So let's say I'm gonna go with this one. If you want to go ahead and add multiple photos, you could do that as well. Now tap the next button. As you can see that your account has been created. Now lastly, you have to go ahead and create a unique profile name, set a password, and type in your password. And this way you'll have successfully created a Romeo account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.